Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Bybit mobile application, then tap on the Assets tab that would be most probably in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, select the withdraw option and here you will be able to see the cryptos that you can transfer from your Bybit account. Now over here you need to use the search bar in the top and search for USDT. Once you are able to find it, you just have to tap on it in order to select it, and then here this type of form will be opened in front of you. Now over here you need to make sure that the on chain option is selected and it is not selected to the internal transfer. If you don't know what is the difference between these two, then let me tell you that if you select the option of internal transfer, then you will be able to send your USDT to any other Bybit user via their email, mobile number and their UID. But since we want to transfer our USDT from Bybit to Trust Wallet, which becomes the external wallet, so you need to select the on-chain option. Now here it will ask you to provide the withdrawal address. So in order to get the address, you need to first launch your Trust Wallet application. After that, you just have to simply use the search bar in the top and search for USDT. Now here you will be able to see USDT on various networks like on Ethereum, BNB, Tron, Polygon, Arbitrum, etc. So you just have to choose any of these. If you want to save some money on gas, then you can go with the BNB Smart Chain or Tron network. So let's say I want to go with the USDT on the BNB network. So you just have to tap on it and then tap on the receive option. Now as soon as you tap on the receive option, you will be able to see a QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to just copy it from here, then come back to your Bybit account and paste the address in this section. After that, in the network, you just have to select the same network that you have selected in your Trust Wallet account, which was in my case the BEP20 network. So after selecting it, you just have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer and press the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, it will show you all of the information that you have entered previously, like you have selected your USDT. So you need to make sure, or you need to just double check that the address is correct, that the network is same in both of the platforms. After that, you just have to simply tap on the confirm button in the bottom in order to initiate your transaction. Now once your transaction is processed and confirmed, after around 5 minutes, you just have to get your USDT into your Trust Wallet account. So that was it for this video. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, comments and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.